To clean the credit card reader, you first need to locate the credit card reader cleaner. It should be in your software package that came with the Sentry EXP, and if not, they can be ordered. You simply open up the packet, remove the cleaning card, and insert it into the reader itself. It's best to insert it 5 or 6 times, and then let the card reader dry for a couple of seconds before putting it back in operation. If you have a coin or token that is not recognized by the Sentry, the first step is to determine what channel you need to reprogram. To do this, open Tunnel Master, click the Sentry menu, then choose Stations. A window will be displayed similar to this. Verify that you are viewing the correct Sentry. This screen indicates we are on Sentry number 1. If you are not viewing the correct Sentry, select the correct one using the arrow to the left of the word touch. Next, find the coin value you need to reprogram. For the purpose of this example, we will reprogram a $1 coin. A value of $1 has been entered to the right of the text, Coin 1 value. That indicates the $1 coin is programmed on channel 1 of the coin acceptor. If we wanted to reprogram a quarter, we would reprogram channel 2 of the coin acceptor. To program the coin acceptor, you first need to slide the access door out and find the dial on the bottom of the board. We're going to program this coin acceptor on channel 1 to accept dollar coins, and then we're going to program it on channel 2 to accept quarters. To program channel 1, you need to turn the dial 1 click clockwise so that it's on 1. The red light will light up, and then you have to push the reset button once. You'll hear it click, then close the access door, then close the door, and you're going to need 6 coins to drop in the coin acceptor. If you drop a 7th coin, it should come out of the return slot on the coin acceptor. That way you know it's properly programmed. Once you're done dropping the coins, you need to open the door again, turn the dial counterclockwise, 1 click so it's back at 0, and the light turns green. You can shut the access door and you're ready to operate the coin acceptor, or you can turn the dial to the next channel to program an additional coin. In this case, we're going to program quarters on channel 2. So we're going to go 2 clicks clockwise, push the reset button once, shut the access door, and again close the front door to the Sentry. We'll then drop 6 quarters to program channel 2. If we do drop a 7th coin, it should fall out of the reject. That way you know it's properly programmed. To test the programming, feed a dollar coin into the Sentry. The screen should display cash $1 on the virtual receipt. It is a good idea to test all of your coins and tokens at this point to confirm proper operation. To clean the touchscreen, you can simply use Windex and spray it on the screen and wipe the Windex off with either a paper towel or a clean dry cloth. Be sure if the touchscreen gets wet that you dry all areas, especially near the gasketing on all 4 sides. The LVDS card to the right of the touchscreen controller card has cables on both sides, and the first step in removing those are to remove the tape that's securing the ribbon cables on the bottom. When removing the ribbon cables, you need to first remove the locking tabs that are holding in the cables. That's done by pushing the tabs directly down towards the cable. After the lock is removed, the cable can simply be pulled out of the slot. That process is repeated for both cables. The next step is to take off the ground wire that's coming across the door for the LVDS card. That's located in the upper left-hand corner of the card. The next step in removing the LVDS card is to remove all 4 screws. Next, you need to remove the LVDS cable from the top of the board. When installing the new board, you need to put the 4 screws back in each corner. Be sure that in the left upper corner, you install the ground strap for the cable coming across the door. And insert the cable into the connector at the top of the board. The ribbon cables then need to be put into the bottom of the board by sliding the cable into the connector and tightening the retaining clip. Once the ribbon cables are attached, you need to put a little protective tape over them and wrap it around the LVDS card.